Hello, inflatable fans. I hope you're all well. Just done that wonderful thing with the sun behind me as a starting point. Trying out a new paddle today. Now, this is a bargain carbon paddle that I got from Amazon, 70 quid. And it even comes with a paddle leash. And it's got a carbon shaft and then poly blades. And there's a little bit of flex on them. They are quite a heavy scoop, but they're quite strong. It's there's not much give to them. It's actually really quite nice. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the pinned comment and description so you can check it out. The branding is Abahub. I don't know what that means. I have a funny feeling that the Wanatego paddle I bought some years ago, I have a funny feeling they're all kind of part of the same factory. So yeah, I mean obviously that's upside down, but yeah, Abahub. And it is nice, it feels really nice in the hand. I've just lent it to the machine to try and he liked it. And he's got an Aquabound with him, similar to mine. I think it's the same model. And this shaft is slightly thicker than that, but it feels really good in your hand. Now, the weight of this, for anybody that's wanting to know, this weighs around 950 grams, I think it was, so under a kilo. So it's pretty lightweight. And if I just rest it on my fingertips, it's actually quite well balanced. It doesn't really sit. It will sit on the back, but it'll also sit there too. So it's quite well balanced, it's quite nice. So yeah, been out today, well, we're out today, and I just thought I'd try this out in my pack raft. Now, I did actually buy one because of the colour of this pack raft, so I purposefully bought yellow because I thought it'd be quite nice to have one that matched the raft. But yeah, I'll put a link in the pinned comment and description and you can check it out. Wow, the wind's just whipped up. Anyway, that's all for now. You know what to do about liking, sharing, subscribing and all that jazz. You take care of yourself. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. But as I say, there's a link in the pinned comment and description so you can check it out for yourself if you want. Catch you later. Wrong one. Cheerio.